Welcome to my channel. Let's make an easy vegetable curry with green pumpkin and dal. The ingredients required are green pumpkin dal, turmeric powder, green chilli, water and salt to taste. All we need to do is mix all these ingredients together, close it with the lid and cook well. For seasoning, to hot coconut oil add some fenugreek seeds followed by mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Then add some chopped onion followed by one dry red chilli. Let the onions become brown. Once the onions becomes brown, add some curry leaves and you can add this seasoning to the curry. That's it, our tasty vegetable curry with green pumpkin and dal is ready to serve with rice, rotis or even any other breads like kubos, etc. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. See you soon in another episode with a very simple and easy recipe. Till that time, take care and bye bye.